How to remove clock from the lock screen on Android. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove clock from the lock screen on Android devices. Removing or hiding the clock from the lock screen on Android depends on your device manufacturer and Android version. Here's how you can do it. First of all, go to the settings of your device. Scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the settings page. And once you reach to the settings page, here you will need to scroll down until you locate lock screen option. Once you find it, simply tap on it and you will be taken to this page. Now here you will need to scroll a bit down and at the very bottom you will be able to locate some more options. From here select edit lock screen option. Once you tap on it, you will be able to see this interface on your screen. Now here tap on this clock option on the screen and at the bottom you will be able to see the clock styles. From here you will need to scroll a bit down until you locate no clock option. Once you find this option, simply tap on it and this will remove the clock from the lock screen. You will be able to see the changes in the screen. After this, tap on the Done option at the top right corner to save your changes. After this, the clock will no longer appear on your lock screen. So this is how you can remove clock from the lock screen on Android devices. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.